Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys how to use TVU tools. How to use TVU tools in your MacBook. For those of us who has been finding it difficult to install TVU tools on our MacBook operating system, for those of us using Macintosh, Mac and all that, you must be finding it difficult to use the software called TVU tools. So I brought good news today. I'll be able to find a software that you can use to replace TVU tools. TVU tools is only available for Windows operating system. For those of you using Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 11 and so on, TVU tools is only available for you. But research, I'll be able to find another app, another software that you can also use on your Windows, in your Windows operating system and Mac. You all know what we use TVU tools to do. TVU tools is used to do many things. To reset your Apple phone, to flash your phone, to change your Mac location, and so on and so forth. It is used for many things. So this software I find now is a Chinese software. It's everything about the app is in Chinese language. I have not been able to. I was only able to find the one in English, but the one in English is a paid version. It's a paid version. The one in English, not this actually. It's from another company. It's paid. I believe it's up to $15 monthly. If every month you have to pay $15 for you to be able to use that software for your work, and that only works for Mac location changing. You can't use that to to flash your phone or anything. So this particular app now, this app works exactly as your TVU tools. For those of you using M1 Mac, M2, M1 Max, M1 Max Pro, or any other MacBook, any other one that you will be finding it difficult to use the software TVU tools, this video is for you. So the name of the software, the name of the site where you will download this software is i4.cn. You can see that right here, i4.cn. You go to your Google, you type i4.cn. i4. Sorry, I'm having issue with my keyboard. My MacBook keyboard, I have issue with it. So just type i4 in your Google. Then you see the site here, i4. You can see i4. Oh, i4. So you can translate this page if you want to. You can translate the page if you want to. So let's open the page. The page will be translated to English now. So you can see you download it for your Mac. This is for Windows. If you are using a Windows, it's also available for you. But this video is mainly for those using MacBook. So you click here, you download it. I have already downloaded it. Then after downloading, you install it. After installing, you open. Then opening it, let's open it now. Let's open it. You can see it's exactly like your TVU tools. just exactly like your TVU tools. It has all the function the app wants. For those of us that will find it difficult to understand the language here, to me what I do is I use my phone to scan the text and translate it. You can use your Google Translator to scan the text, each of the option here, and you will know what is there in English language or in your preferred language. So now let's connect our iPhone. You connect your iPhone as usual. I have connected my iPhone now. You can see just exactly like your TVU tools. I have connected my iPhone. You can see iPhone 12 Pro Max. You see, but if for those of us who want to know what is here, I already told you. You use your phone to scan this text and you can translate it. Then let's come to tools. If you translate this to English, it is tools. Just the same function, the same option, the same function with your TVU tools. Then we are only using this to change mock location today. It has even more function than your TVU tools. It has many of the function here that your TVU tools do not have. And please take note, immediately you connect your phone to this, you put your phone cable, a software, a app will automatically install in your phone, which is this app. The app itself, it is called AS Tools Pro. You will see that in your phone. It will come up as AS Tools Pro. It will come up, it will install automatically within few seconds. Immediately you connect your cable to your phone and to your laptop, to your Mac. So we got is that app that we function that will make this to work. You won't have to do anything. Once you input your cable, it will install automatically. So now let's make use of the mock location changing. You come here, you can see this is the logo of map, logo of location. You click it, you will see it's exactly the same function. Sometimes this map rotating here may not open. Sometimes it's open, sometimes it may not open. You see it did not open. You can see I have make use of I have changed location here. You can see I have changed location here. So to make use of this easily, just go to your Google map, search for the location you want to use. You want to change your phone location to your mock location, check it, then input your code here, which is the what is it called, the longitude and the latitude. You input each of the numbers here, then immediately you input it, you click it. So that's what I did here. I input it here. This location here is for Philippines. Okay, I just for a try, is for Philippines. You can see this location here now. This code here, they are for a particular location, a particular state in Philippines, a particular province. You input the information here. You make sure it is correct. You can see. Just check the video very well. The first numbers that we start with, first three numbers will be in the top. Then the other one with first two will be in the down. Then after that you okay it. But sometimes this map here may open. When the map open here, you can search, but sometimes it will not open. So immediately let's wait for this to stop so we can program this location here. Let me use this location that is there before. You can see once then you okay it, then it will read. Then make sure you accept, you make sure you trust your device, and if it case it bring error, it did not go, like I said, you can translate what is written here. You scan it with your phone, then you translate it. Sometimes it will tell you you have not enabled developer mode in your iPhone. In case it did not work, if anything come up like this and it is not an option of successful, just know it's asking you to turn on developer mode in your phone. So you go to your iPhone privacy setting, then you turn on developer mode, then it will work automatically. Now this has changed. If I should checking my phone now, the time in my phone has changed. And if it case immediately the time in your phone did not change, just wait. As long as it has shown successful, you wait. Later automatically the time in your phone will change. Even TVU tools do that sometimes. Sometimes immediately you program the location, the time will not change immediately, but later after some hours or minutes it will change. So this video is for those of us who is using Apple MacBook and we find it difficult to use TVU tools in our system. So please, if you find this video useful, if you find it useful, kindly subscribe, like the video, comment, share, subscribe to my channel in case there's any useful video like this. You'll be able to get a notification anytime I upload any useful video. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And if you have any question regarding this, put your question in the comment section. I will respond to even if you are not speaking English, I will translate your comment and reply in your language. Thank you.